一个好，做一个推。
Было, что ли? Точно. В натуре. Не то, что переплавно, под колесами на тебе сидит, он не закрывает ее, она закрыта. Она под колесами, я тебе говорю, под таким. Сейчас помогу.你不会读人家，不是你读，人家不公平的电话，打110吧。
怎么了？
他们跑来撞。再按一下那个橘色的，嘿，好，然后窗户关起来。
5번 일반 통행인데요, 뭐.
Okay, that would be under the collision part of the policy. So either you'll have a $250, $500, $1,000 deductible, and any damages after that would be covered by the policy. The insurance company would pay for the repair. Now, let's briefly speak about comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage is anything other than collision. So let's say the car is stolen, it is vandalized, a tree falls on it, whatever it may be, with the exception of you getting into an accident, it would be covered. So in other words, like I just said, if the car is stolen, you will pay your deductible again, which can range from $250 to $1,000 deductible. Some companies offer a $2,000 deductible, and then the insurance company would pay whatever the book value of the vehicle is. Now what's nice also, some of the insurance companies today, also a lot of the insurance companies that we deal with at New York Insurance Shopper and New Jersey Insurance Shopper, have an option called new car replacement. This is an excellent feature that can be purchased for a nominal fee on an auto insurance policy. And basically what it does is if the car is stolen and it needs to be replaced, rather than giving you the book value of the car, they will give you a brand new car. They will not depreciate the value of the vehicle at all. This option is usually offered on a vehicle up to 2 years old. Beyond that, the option is not available. Now, one other thing that I really want to speak about is, again, this notion of full coverage versus liability only. How do you know what to purchase? Obviously, when you get liability only, it's going to be a lot less money than if you get full coverage, the comprehensive and collision as well. Reason being, it's not covering your car for any accident that you should get involved in. It's not covering your car for theft. It's really only covering your car for property damage, medical liability damage, anything like that. So, the question again is, what should you purchase? Well, what you really need to do is you need to figure out what the value of your vehicle is. A great way to figure that out is to go ahead and look up the Blue Book value or Kelly Blue Book value value of your car. This can be found at www.kbb.com. Now, based on what the Blue Book value of your car is, that's going to basically determine whether or not you want to purchase the bare bones or the essential liability policy, or if you want to go ahead and you want to purchase the Mercedes-Benz of auto insurance or car insurance, which is the full coverage policy. No pun intended there. So a good rule of thumb is if the cost of the insurance is going to outweigh...
Look for discount. Many insurance will give you discount on your car insurance for reasons such as having a good driving record or insuring multiple cars with the same company. Some companies, like Nationwide, offer even more discount to help you achieve a cheap car insurance quote. Second tip, get involved in a group. Many companies offers affinity discount on car insurance for customers belonging to quality organizations. Farm Bureau members may earn additional saving in selected states. You could also save up to 20% or 10% if you are a policyholder, for example, with Nationwide for at least 5 years. In some companies, 6 years. It's different to company. It's up to company. The third tip is make your car safe. The type of car you drive can affect how cheap your car insurance quota is. If your car has an anti-theft device, full front set airbags, or restraining devices that work automatically when your car closes, you may get a discount, and you may earn defensive driver discount when you successfully complete an approved motor vehicle accident prevented course. The next tip that I want to talk about is compare the coverage options in your policy. Make sure that you can customize your cheap online car insurance quote with different coverage options to suit your budget and needs. These options include liability insurance, collisions or comprehensive coverage, or uninsured or underinsured motors coverage. And the last tip is do a little search. It is very important because in these days one can find any kind of information in internet, and that's why we must to do some research in internet in order to save money. And that's why, as you know, companies offers additional resources to help you save on your cheap online auto insurance quote. Visit the auto insurance